Hello, foodie beauties.
So we are heading to a Halloween store. We're on the hunt for a Halloween store. Not sure if we'll find one, but let's go see if we can find something.
I give Foodie Beauty credit for going outside finally and doing something. To all you guys, please stay safe and happy Halloween.
Getting a mocha at my favorite Latifa before we go see what's up. It's treat day, it's Halloween.
You speak Arabic?
Eh.
MashaAllah.
I'm using a new camera and there's no filter, so my skin is, yeah, spooky for Halloween. Look at the sky.
Super amazing.
Wow. Ice mocha. I see Halloween stuff. They do have a Halloween section. How much is this? 7 KD? Come on. Looks like me in the morning. Babe. This is so cool, like a serving tray. Pickles, olives, cheese. Matching. One for me, one for you. Looks like my feet. Arr. Should I be a pirate for Halloween? Some cute bags. Good witch here. Halloween glasses, these are cute. A lot of party supplies if you want to party. Well, wait, I think it works. Oh, you gotta put a battery. We'll be laughing when you look at the price.
What? 15? Okay, thank you. I can see your eyes.
That ever happened to you when you're shaving? Yeah, Chucky's goth sister. They have some makeup because that's what I was looking for, so nice and cheap. So this is the Halloween section. Doesn't look like there's much else here. Let's go see around the store and see. These, I guess you would bring them camping. And we are going to be going camping, inshallah, to bring your tea supplies for camping and stuff. These are the traditional tea sets here. There's some more camping things. It's really nice. I'll smell nice for a day. No.
The queen bees are.
Yes.
The boards? Whoa. You're being clumsy, babe.
Never mind.
Her stomach is really hanging low now. I don't know how she walks.
Spin, and I'm gonna stop with my finger, and then we're gonna travel there. Oh. Coco Island. Are people going back to school or something? There's also
School section here.
Alright, well, there doesn't seem to be much else for Halloween, so we're gonna dip. That didn't sound good. Oh, cute! I love this. What the heck? That's my kind of heater. One that doesn't omit heat. Oh, babe, it's me and you.
Which one?
These. Enjoy every moment, guys.
You with a CPAP.
Hello. Cherry lady.
Cherry lady.
Cute little typical setup for camping. You have the majlis seating.
The Halloween makeup and the raspberry perfume for the car.
That's it, that's all. Alright, so we're done here at City View store, and I'm gonna go home and dress up a bit, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you in the future. Bye. Hello guys, hello. How are you? How are you? I don't know, it kind of looks like John Wayne Gacy had a love child with no face. Happy Halloween, guys! Today is like a huge, my favorite like day of the year, and I just really wanted to have like a huge treat day, just go all out, and I certainly did. A trick or treat meal. I'm having some Knife chicken restaurant, so some cheese sticks, a steam like knockoff Mountain Dew, I guess, curly fries, cheese sauce, chicken burger, and some Halloween donuts from Krispy Kreme. See the monster donuts? Aren't they cute? So let's eat this beauty bite. It's pretty good. No cheese ball. Beauty bite. Tomorrow, I'm right back on it.
Sure, Jan.
Treadmill bees. I'm gonna take a break and try these donuts. Okay, green, purple. Let's show you all of these. I don't know. His name is Frank, as in Frankenstein. I forget what this monster's name is. Something Dracula. I love the Dracula. And this little pumpkin. So, I'm gonna try the Dracula. I love Dracula. Okay, beauty bite. Do you know how long it's been since I've had a donut? There's chocolate or Nutella or something inside. Nutella. I think if you plan meals like this, it could be good for mental health. It's so good. Okay, I gotta go. I hope you enjoy your Halloween. I was gonna do a live stream, but I'm gonna spend the evening with Salah. We're gonna watch scary movies. So I'll see you guys in the future. Bye. Have a spooktacular Byzantine.